and good day, everyone. My name is Wong Cafe. Welcome to FMC Malaysia Facebook page. So, first of all, I would like to thank everyone who are joining us and watching on this video sharing session. So, today I would like to share with you about the FMC Corporation, about the history, about the journey, and the process where bring us to the FMC Corporation today. So, in the other part of this session, I will share one of the major fungus disease that are always brought to the problems to our farm and affected the crops yield production in Malaysia. So allow me to share screen. All right, so FMC Corporation. So at the very beginning of FMC, it was involved in the process of a better spray pump invented by John Bean in 1883, and the company stopped goes public as the name of Food Machinery Corporation in 1928. So in 1943, the company has acquired Niagara Sprayer and Chemicals Company, and this is where the company started to launch into chemical business in further. So while in 1961, the company name has officially changed to FMC Corporation. So coming to 2001, FMC have spins off machinery and becomes a diversified chemical company. While in 2015 and 2017, FMC acquires multinational crop protection company Cheminova and large portion of DuPont's crop protection assets, and setting a big vision to become crop protection pure play in worldwide. So nowadays, FMC has about 23 R&D sites and 26 manufacturing sites globally, and every year, 7% of the revenues will be used in R&D to continue research and develop better solutions for crop protection to help farmers in solving the farm issues, including pests, diseases, and as well as plant health segment to ensure sustainability and continuity of safe food supply. So now let's move to the another topic. Okay, anthracnose in Malaysia. So I think most of us know anthracnose is one of the common diseases found worldwide, including in Malaysia. So it's very common in tropical area, and the rainfall will provide favorable condition for the spread of spore and often cause wetting of young tissues and promote the infection. So as you can see here, there's a plenty of crops affected by this anthracnose, such as papaya, bananas, pitaya, which is dragon fruit, strawberry, and also chili, and etc. So here are some symptoms of anthracnose that infected in mango. Usually we can find on leaves. Lesions start as small, angular, brown to black spots that can enlarge to form extensive dead areas. Initially, these symptoms on panicles are small black or dull brown spots, which can enlarge, balance, and kill the flowers before the fruits are produced, and this would greatly reduce the yield. So it also happened in the fruit part. So the most green fruits infection remains latent until ripening, and the fruits that appear healthy at harvest can develop significant anthracnose symptoms rapidly upon ripening. So as you can see here, this is the leaf part. You can see the infected area, and this is the fruit. So you can see the infected part is heavily destroyed by this kind of the disease. Excuse me. So while in peppers, anthracnose also can easily found. So here are some symptoms of anthracnose. So the lesion or spot has a prominent yellow halo around it, and slowly it will turn into concentric rings of actively appear on upper surface of the leaves. So rather than leaves, this disease also affecting the stem. So on the stem, the infection appear at the tips, spread downwards and kill the entire vine. But on the developed berries, the cracks will develop on the pericarp of berries and gradually split, leading to the dry weight loss. This slide showing the general anthracnose life cycle. Spores will spread through the water and wind to the leaf and fruits. So, and they are start to germinate, to undergo germination of conidium and penetrate into plant tissue. So, and it goes down to infection and invade tissue, will die and collapse the forming sunken area, which is we show it in this slide. Okay, so the acively with masses of pinkish conidia will develop on the infected area and grow something like black satire and release the spores again and infected others plant. So the total cycle is only taking about 3 to 5 days. So here comes the solution for the disease. We presented you the FMC Prochorus. So this Prochorus is a translaminar fungicide for Colletotrichum, which has the ability to prolong the storage life of fruit, and it contains manganese and silica to provide greener leaves and thicker fruit. And this Prochorus also are translaminar, protective, and slight eradicative fungicide. So it can control at major pathogen stage, including infection, colonization, and sporulation. Okay. So this slide showing how FMC Prochorus solving the anthracnose problem. So with the use of this product, it can block the surface of the crops to prevent the germination of conidium, which is protective wood. Where is the protective wood? So while spraying on the infected area, it could help to block the specific area to prevent the acively growing and spread to other healthy or uninfected plants. So this is where Prochorus work, which is protective and eradicative. Okay. FMC Prochorus is active in controlling many species of ascomycetes and deuteromycetes, infecting a wide range of crops. And it is most active on vegetative structures and prevent mycelia growth. It can be used for both curative and preventive action. The incubation period is about 8 to 10 days. And as we mentioned before, it contains manganese and silica that have function in leaf greening and crop vigor. So Prochorus is translaminar fungicide, as we talked about just now. So now I'm trying to explain what is mean by translaminar. So translaminar is one kind of action that when you spray on the top of the leaf, it will go down itself. It will spread out and absorb by the plant tissue and go down to the underneath of the plant tissue. It doesn't need to spray top and down to have the total protection. So locally systemic, meaning that for those part who have sprayed, it will have the protection. But the part that doesn't have the spray part, it doesn't have the protection. So like those leaves that produce after the application, they are not protected. Therefore, when doing the application, please ensure that entirely spray on all leaves to get the maximum protection. Okay. And this product has gone through the toxicology test, where it is considered safe to use and there are less damage to the human. So here is the registered product label of the FMC Prochorus in Malaysia, including the correct recommended rate of application and the numbers of application per season, as well as the post-harvest indication timing. All right, so that's all for the sharing today. So last but not least, we FMC Malaysia have started in 2017, and we are eager to do our best to help farmers in Malaysia and move forward to create a more sustainability environment and greater food security in the future. So if you have any questions or certain topic that you might interested to know more, please comment in the chat below, or you can direct contact to our FMC Malaysia team. We will do our best to connect with you and follow up on that. Thank you very much, and wishing you all have a nice day.